guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Lhorsef Lifes, and for today's video is another unboxing and a collaboration with a brand. And if you are fan of eyewears or glasses, so just keep on watching. And this video guys is a collaboration with Tijn or TIJNeyewear. So this brand offers prescription eyeglasses, fashion blue light filter glasses, new generation of glasses or brand of glasses, well crafted and designed. Tijn is not only offering eyewears, but they are also offering home and lifestyle like bags and shoes. And also Tijn have their sister company Orange by Tijn. So on this video I will share to you those products that Tijn sent to me. So the first box that I have is this TIJNeyewear is art. So I like the box. It's used minimalist and eco-friendly packaging for a good of our planet. So it's very catchy. It's follow on TIJ and on Instagram. The backs of the glasses, and this is what I have. First one is it's very cute packaging and very crafted and handmade. I like this. And of course this is it. My first glass is my sunglasses. This Michel tortoise. This one. So yeah, I like the every details of these glasses, and it's look fancy and classy while you're wearing this. So because I really love glasses, so I'm wearing now, and if I look on the mirror or on the camera, it's like a shading on the eyes, so it's different. Yeah. So I like the design, the turquoise color, and I like the frame, and it suits on my face only. So written here Tijn or TIJN, and of course this is the number or the code of these glasses. So I like it. So these glasses that I'm wearing now is Michel opal turquoise. So these have the high quality of lenses and scratch and impact resistance, and of course ultraviolet treatment and polarized lenses. So it's very nice. And this is a first class craftsmanship made from high quality acetate material, and the width is 54 by 20 and 141 by 50. It's polycarbonate. It's good for fashion and also to protect your eyes from the sun and from the UV rays. So I'm so excited to wear this if I'm going outside. Hey sunlight! Glasses that they sent me is this. Yeah, it's a gray packaging, and of course it's all Michel opal turquoise because I like the design. They have the same, I choose the same color because I like it. And yeah, so this is a glasses. So the other one is sunglasses, and this is a fine-tuned to perfection. This is a Michel roomy round shallot look, totally stylish to everyone, and refined and fuzzy and built to last. So yeah, I like the every detail of these glasses. Help you for your eye fatigue and headaches, and also scratch resistance guys. And what I like in these glasses because it has a 100% UV rays protection. So it looks fancy on my face, and the color is matched on my complexion. And these glasses is not only for fashion, or you can use for fashion and to protect your eyes for the UV rays or radiation. It's available in all glasses. They have this eye protection, and of course it's elevate your eyes from fatigue and strain. And if you are working in office, or like you're doing always focusing on your computer or you're on your phone, you can use these glasses because it really helps you to protect your eyes under radiation. So this next is they sent me this glasses from Orange by Tijn, or this is the sister company. And this one is also cute packaging here. It's reliable screen glasses. Yes, and this have this every details here. Have the eyeglasses off for cleaning, and yeah, this is it. It's written here anti-fog. So yeah, I like also the details here. It's very thin only, and I like the frame. It's gold, and the size is much on my face. So if you are working at home, or you are fond of watching Netflix or YouTube, or you're always scrolling on your social media, so this one helps you a lot while to protect your eyes. The one that I like is this is anti-fog, that every time you travel or you go from the cold places, it will not comes to your glasses, or it will not blurred. So I try to drink on the coffee, and every time you drink the coffee from the regular glasses, it comes the smoke on your glasses. But this one, no, you will not see the fog or the smoke of the coffee on your glasses. So yeah, I like it. So of course you can use also this one if you're working in the office, and also for fashion. And yeah, it's it. So these glasses is sent by Orange by Tijn. It's simple but it looks classy. Lastly is this TIJNeyewear is an art. This box, it's really cute, and yeah, I like this. So this one is a so have this name here, inspiration of your daily life. Follow us on Instagram, TIJNhomelife. So this one, Home Life by TIJN, is focusing on things that will actually make your lives more enjoyable. Inspired by our daily life, we put effort into presenting them to you. We hope you find something to love here: comfortable shoes, delicate accessories, lovely vlogs, or even a lifestyle. So just this one is sent by the tijnhome.com, or TIJNhomelife, or walk on TIJN. So life is an art. So this is it, guys. I like this because I love bags. So I'm so lucky that they sent me this cute bag. So I like this. It's look classy, and it's small only, but it is good, and have this cloth inside that to protect from, or so that there's some small stuff will not be fall. And yes, I like this bag. It's leather, and yeah, you can make it cross bag, and you can make it a shoulder bag too. So I like this bag because it's small only, and I can use it on everyday use also. And if you're going to a party, you can use as a shoulder bag, and you can use as a cross bag. Very cute and classy. So in overall review, I really like the stuff that the Tij sent to me because it's very eco-friendly, and I like this style, and of course it looks like classy, but it's very affordable price, guys. And they offer some discount, and also they ship worldwide. So if you want to check some of the stuff, you can visit on their website tijn.eyewear.com, or TIJNhomelife, or walk in TIJN, and Orange by TIJN, or they are called Tij. So this is I will do some review about the product again, and Again, I would like to thank Tinge or TIJN for sending this product, especially Miss Lydia. Thank you so much. And I really love this product. So thank you so much, guys. Again, this is Lhorsef Lifes, and hope you like this video. Just give it a thumbs up and please watch some of my product review. God bless you and keep safe, everyone.